I'm going to take a second really quick to show you how to install Screencastify onto your computer, especially if you're going to be helping students to add this to their Chromebook and to their Chrome browser. All you have to do is Google Screencastify, and it should come up with the Chrome Web Store link to download it. When you get to the screen and you find Screencastify, you're going to want to go ahead and click the blue Add to Chrome icon, and then confirm that you do want to add this extension. It's not very difficult to set up this extension, but there are a couple of steps that you or your students are going to have to do to sync the extension Screencastify with their Google Drive account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this icon. It looks like a black film strip. And you need to go ahead and set up all of your access so that when it comes time to record, you're ready to go. Make sure that you allow your microphone. And since this is a Chromebook district, we are going to recommend that you use your Google Drive, and this is great because it will automatically have a web link address. You don't have to worry about uploading it to YouTube. So I'm just going to sign in,